Hello everyone, it's Dubidu's vlog. Welcome to my channel. And today I cook caldereta. At kumukulo na siya ngayon. It's boiling. The water is dancing. Boiling actually. It's boiling now because I softened the beef. But first I did is I fried onion and garlic. And second, I put the beef meat until I stirred and become brown. After that, I put the tomato sauce and liver spread. So there's a liver spread in it. So the result now is, and I put also pimienta, black pepper, ground black pepper, and what is this? This is nor cube stock for to taste the, so that it will give more flavor, beef flavor. And now I will put the vegetable because the potatoes are soft now, so I will put red and green pepper to make it more taste called Beefdereta. So here we are. So this is the look of my Beefdereta today. Today is December 25 and we are on holiday. One day, but plus Friday plus Saturday, so I have 2 off day. So now we'll see the result of this. This is my Beefdereta. So this is the looks while boiling, while cooking, and let's wait for like maybe 5 minutes to make it soften the vegetables and enjoy our lunch for today with this Beefdereta. So join me with this cooking time and see or taste. I hope you're here nearby with me so you can taste my tasty Beefdereta. And while they're sleeping, I will awake them later and we will eat together. So, ngayon, ganito po ang looks niya, pero gusto kong tikman. I want to taste it and taste the taste. Taste the taste. This Beefdereta I just watch on YouTube channel, because I don't know and it's my first time to cook Beefdereta. It's my first time to cook. So let's see how soft it is, the meat. Wow, it's really soft. Wow. Let me see. Tastes beef. Tastes good. So far, so good. Yes, it's my first time to cook Beefdereta. Kaya, kung gusto nyo na matutunan kung paano magluto ng Beefdereta, just watch on YouTube or watch my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and like my channel kasi i-upload ko ito sa channel ko, but it's not forcing to like my YouTube. It's just for fun. But anyway, thank you for subscribing my channel. Right now I have 9 subscribers. Kala mo naman madami, no? O yan, malambot ng patatas. Yun naman, yung karne, malambot din naman. Ay, salamat, Lord. We have a Beefdereta for today. Yes. Tastes good. So, Merry Christmas to everyone and let's enjoy our lunch with my Beefdereta. Kahit wala kayo, but feel free to feel me on your house. Watch me on my channel. Thank you. Wala na akong boses.